apps that will make your screen time more productive. Hey there, parents. Today, let's talk about something that can spark a mixture of relief and guilt, especially mom guilt: screen time. Sure, screens are a lifesaver when you need them, but often we feel as if we're not connecting with our child when we put them in front of a tablet. However, that doesn't need to be the case. Let's flip the script and talk about how tablets, laptops, and smartphones can be used to educate and connect with your child. Believe it or not, the right apps and opportunities can turn your screens into a wonderful powerhouse of learning. Today, I'm sharing some tips and tricks to help make the most of your screen time. First, let's talk about balance. Screen time does not need to be a villain in your life, and it's not a failure if you use it. It just needs a structure and a routine. Start by creating designated times that your child is allowed to use screens, just like you would for reading a book or doing homework. This helps kids see their device as a tool and not just something to use when they're bored or looking to waste time. And don't worry, it is not all on you. Many devices have built-in parental controls that allow you to set the limits and not have to monitor them 24/7. It's like having a digital assistant to help keep track of what your kid is up to. And now onto what they're doing on those screens. The right app can make all the difference. Let's talk about the best apps. These are ones that are fun, educational, and worthy of your limited screen time. For one, Cymath. If your child struggles with math, Cymath makes it easier by breaking down problems into their most basic components and then going through them step by step. It's like having a tutor in your pocket. Next up, LeapFrog Academy. If any of you guys were in school in the early 2010s, you remember this. LeapFrog is a fantastic asset for younger kids to teach math, reading, writing, all in interactive adventures with fun characters they'll take with them for life. Speaking of which, PBS Kids. It's not just Sesame Street on there. PBS combines entertainment and education with stories that will hold close to our hearts forever. Shows like Wild Kratts and Curious George teach science, problem solving, and critical thinking, all while keeping kids engaged. And these are just a few of thousands of educational resources right at your fingertips. If you're looking for some more, check out smartbubblegum.com. There, we've cataloged thousands of incredible apps sorted by age and topic, all ready for you to download and enjoy. Okay, so now that you have the tools, here's how you start to use them. Begin by setting daily goals on each app. For example, 15 minutes on a math app, 20 minutes on a reading, and 14 on a science. Then, while having lunch, take a quick break for an educational video. Keep screen time interactive. Ask what they're learning about and engage with the material yourself. This builds a connection with your child and shows that learning can be fun for everyone. And don't forget to take breaks. Encourage your kids to stretch, move around, or even practice what they learned offline. Balance is key when avoiding screen fatigue. Now, if you're looking for even more educations, guides, tools, articles, anything you can need, check out smartbubblegum.com. Over there, we've curated lists of the best educational apps and best practices to use them. So whether your child needs help solving problems, learning to read, or developing critical thinking skills, we're here for you. Remember, screen time doesn't have to be a battle. With the right tools and a little planning, it can be a productive and enriching experience for you both. So start small. Explore the apps we mentioned and visit smartbubblegum.com for even more ideas. You've got this, parents.